Hello guys, welcome to the Wolf. So today's analysis will be on Bitcoin and Ethereum, and a lot of FOMO and FUD is going on right now. So I'll clear that in just a second. So let's get straight to the point. So heading to trading view. So right now, as I already mentioned in my previous video, that there are chances of a retest to the upside, because after a huge breakdown there's always a retest also. And right now the price is at the yellow support, which is at $26,000, and it is holding it quite strongly. And I believe that the price can go up from here for some time, can go up like this for some time. So and why I'm saying that I'm bullish, let me show you. Okay, so right now I'm on the Bitcoin 1 weekly time frame, and my previous viewers know about this parabolic curve right now on this Bitcoin time frame. See this right there, this perfect parabolic support. So right now, as the price with a heavy red candle broke it to the downside, so there are chances that it can slightly go up for a retest to the upside. And what is the target of it, I will discuss it in a second. Let me show you one more analysis. Here I will look at the Bitcoin CME chart daily time frame. As we can see, there's a gap here at approx $27,000. So there are chances that the price can go all the way up to this red line of Fibonacci at $28,000 minimum. This is the minimum target. And now let me show you my target, that where Bitcoin can actually go. So coming back to this first chart, so the price, there's a potential that the price can go all the way up to this white dotted trend line. I hope you can see this one right there, right there, and plus this blue box right here, which is, I mean, approx you can say $30,000. The price can go easily to the $30,000 level for a retest. Now I'll show you some Ethereum analysis as well. So right now I'm on the Ethereum daily time frame. I hope you can see this falling wedge right there. So according to this falling wedge also, the target next is upside only, the upside target. And I hope you can see this yellow horizontal line at $1,760 level, and this blue resistance box. So there are chances that the price can easily go to this level right here. Let me show you by using the brush tool. Price can go right here, like here, right there. And if the price comes here, I will open a short position on Ethereum, as I've already written a text box. So yeah, this is it. Now let me show you. So this was overall bullish news for shorter time. Now let me show you bearish, that what if the price continues to fall down. If the price continues to fall down heavily, then my first target will be all the way down here at $1,400, because as we can see, very important level, support right there, support right there, support right there, and a lot more. So this is my first target, and my second target will be all the way down here at $1,130 level, because same major support right there, right there. So that's why if the price continues to fall down for Ethereum, then my short position that I'm in will still be opened only, and I'll be in profits. But I'm hoping that it will get stopped out, that what if the price continues to fall heavily for Bitcoin. So if the price continues to fall heavily for Bitcoin, the first support it will meet will be this one right there, this blue box that I mentioned in my previous video at approx 25 to 24.7 thousand dollar level. And the second target is coming to be at approx the starting of this broadening rising wedge, which is at $20,000. And I am thinking that it can go to 20,800 also, because there's a CME gap Here, have a look at this CME gap right there. Let me draw and show it to you. So there are chances that the price can easily go down till here for a retest also. But as I said, I'm bullish for shorter term, but I'm overall bearish right now on crypto. So yeah, and I'm preparing my capital for my short positions also in the future term. You can create an account for free on Bybit and you can get $30,000 bonus for free by just registering with this link. And also you can follow me on Twitter as well, because there I post my trade updates, latest and to the point crypto analysis as well. So do follow me on Twitter also. Both the links are in description. So switching back to camera. Okay, so guys, this was the analysis of today, and I hope you learned something. And now there's no FOMO and FUD. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.